Welcome to the cutting-edge world of drones in 2024, where innovation and technology converge to redefine manufacturing possibilities. Explore the forefront of additive manufacturing as we unveil the top 5 best drones of the year, showcasing advancements in speed, quality, and versatility that are revolutionizing industries worldwide. Click the link in the description to explore its remarkable features. Then join us as we start the video and uncover the endless possibilities of this high-quality drones, so let's embark on the exhilarating journey together. Number 5. Introducing the Imporsa Camera Drone, a high-performance drone designed for both adults and kids. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, this mini drone allows you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos. With the Imporsa Go app, you can easily control the drone and view the live video through FPV real-time transmission technology. The user-friendly flight control features, such as one-button takeoff, altitude fixation, and adjustable speed modes, make flying effortless and enjoyable. Additionally, this drone offers multiple functions, including gesture selfie, waypoint flight, and 3D flip, allowing you to take amazing selfies and perform thrilling stunts. With extended flight time, enhanced safety features, and reliable technical support, the INPO RSA camera drone is the perfect companion for your flying adventures. Number 4. Hiturbo S20 Drone. The Hiturbo S20 drone, with its 1080p camera, stands out as an exceptional choice, serving as an ideal entry point into the world of drone flying, appealing to both adults and children. Offering a comprehensive array of features, including a high-resolution 1080p camera, dual rechargeable batteries, versatile control options through both remote and app interfaces, altitude hold for stable flight, dynamic 3D flip capability, convenient headless mode, and effortless one-key takeoff and landing functions, alongside the flexibility of speed adjustment and the futuristic touch of voice control. Its user-friendly assembly process and an intuitive operation make it accessible to users of all levels of expertise. Moreover, its robust build ensures durability, capable of withstanding the rigors of outdoor flying. With the inclusion of 2 batteries, extending flight time up to a remarkable 24 minutes, this drone promises extended enjoyment and exploration in the skies. Number 3. Radclo Mini Drone. The Radclo Mini Drone with camera is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Its 1080p HD camera and altitude hold function ensure effortless capture of stunning aerial shots. Packed with features like high-speed rotation, circle fly mode, gesture control, and more, it offers thrilling flight experiences for enthusiasts of all levels. With 2 800 mAh batteries included, enjoy up to 22 minutes of uninterrupted flight time. Its convenient carrying case, controller batteries, propeller guards, and spare fan blades make it ready for any adventure. Easy-to-use controls and a compact design ensure hassle-free flying and portability. Take your creativity to new heights with the durable and feature-rich Radclo Mini Drone. Number 2. Tensense GPS Drone. The Tensense GPS drone is a high-quality quadcopter designed for adults. With its 4K UHD camera and 120 FOV lens, you can capture stunning aerial images and videos. The 5G Fluent FPV transmission ensures smooth and long-distance image transmission. The drone comes with 2 intelligent batteries, offering a total flight time of 52 minutes. It also features one-key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, making it perfect for beginners. The GPS intelligent return function ensures the drone automatically returns home when the battery is low or the signal is lost. The foldable design and carrying case allow for easy portability. With the Tensense GPS drone, you can enjoy endless possibilities and explore the sky like never before. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 SA is a lightweight and foldable mini drone with QHD video capabilities. Weighing less than 249 grams, it is perfect for taking on outdoor adventures and capturing stunning aerial moments from above. With simplified operations, the drone is beginner-friendly and easy to learn, making it ideal for those new to drone flying. It also features a return-to-home function for added safety, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. The drone offers an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes, allowing users to enjoy longer flights and explore more areas. Additionally, the DJI Fly app provides easy-to-use shooting templates, enabling the drone to automatically fly, record, and generate professional-level videos that can be shared directly on social media. With a 10 km max transmission range, users can reliably fly the drone farther and capture more breathtaking footage. The DJI Mini 2 SE also boasts reliable stability and winds up to 38 km, allowing users to fly and capture content more reliably in various locations. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, so thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and connect with us for the latest technology in the world. We receive motivation from your feedback, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you.